Summer calls for something cool, zesty, and a little bold. Meet your new favorite refresher, cold ginger lemonade. It's bright, it's hydrating, and it's ready in just 15 minutes. Let's make it together. Here's what you'll need for 4 servings. 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. That's about 4 to 6 lemons. 1/4 cup of fresh ginger grated. 1/2 cup of sugar, or adjust to your taste. 4 cups of water, lemon slices, and mint leaves for garnish. Start by bringing 1 cup of water to a boil in a saucepan. Once boiling, stir in the grated ginger and 1/2 cup of sugar. Keep stirring until the sugar dissolves completely. Now let it simmer for 5 minutes to blend those flavors beautifully. Remove it from heat and strain the mixture into a large pitcher. This removes the ginger pieces and leaves you with a smooth syrup. Add 1 cup of fresh lemon juice to the pitcher, then pour in 3 more cups of cold water. Stir well to combine. Chill the lemonade in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes. This helps the flavors come together and makes it extra refreshing. When you're ready to serve, pour over ice. Garnish with lemon slices and a few mint leaves for that extra burst of freshness. Each serving has about 50 calories and 25% of your daily vitamin C. Plus, ginger brings anti-inflammatory benefits and lemon boosts immunity. Whether it's a backyard barbecue or a quiet moment by the pool, this drink brings the perfect balance of zing and cool. Here are a few quick tips to elevate your lemonade. Use organic lemons and ginger for richer flavor. Add a splash of sparkling water for fizz. Sweeten naturally with honey if you like. Chill your glasses for an icy experience. Want to mix it up? Try these fun twists. Add fresh peach slices for a fruity flair. Infuse with basil or rosemary for a herbal touch. Cold ginger lemonade pairs beautifully with grilled chicken, seafood tacos, or a crisp summer salad. In just 15 minutes, you've made the ultimate summer refresher. Bright, bold, and naturally good for you. So go ahead, sip, relax, and savor summer in a glass. Be sure to check out this video for more.